Hello, in last video we have seen row widget. In this video we are going to learn column widget in Flutter app development. Column widget. While designing UI, we need to arrange contents in rows or columns. In this case, Flutter uses row or column widgets. Column widget that displays its children in vertical array. The column widget does not scroll. That is, if we try to put more children in a column that will fit in the available room, then error will occur. Properties of column widget. These are similar to row widgets. So common properties. First one is children. Column widget nested more than one child widget. This property of column takes in list of widgets which are to be displayed in a column on the screen. Main axis alignment. This property is for how to place children widget in vertical or y-axis direction. For example, start at the end or at the center. Cross-axis alignment. This property is for how to place children widget in horizontal or x-axis direction, that is at the start, center, etc. Now this main axis and cross-axis. Main axis in row, it talk about x-axis, and cross-axis in row talks about y-axis. So here they are opposite to each other. Now we'll write code for column widget. We'll edit the code which we have written for row widget. It will be similar, only in this I'll make changes that I'll replace row by column, that is column widget. And if I run this code, now currently output in of row widget is a single row, and in column widget it will change to single column. That means content of column widgets will be placed in a single column. Now I'll change alignment property, main axis alignment to the center, and if I run there won't be any changes. Now I'll change cross axis alignment property, cross axis alignment to the center. Output will brought to the center of column. Now I'll select code under children of the column. I'll rewrite the code. I'll select and comment it, and to use some creativity I'll use container class. Under container class with child property I'll use text widget to write some text or message on the screen. Then by using styling property or style property, I'll change font size, text style, and in text style font size. So I'll select this container and copy and paste it 2 more times. So under children property of column I have created 3 containers, so which has text I. So I will be 3 times printed in a single column on the left side. Now the name of app I'll change to column because it was displaying row app. Now what we'll do, container of the first, I'll use color property, and using color property I'll change color of first container to orange. Similarly, I'll make changes in the text of second container and change the color of second container to white. Then in third container I'll change color to green. I want to display Indian flag, so color of third container is green. I'll change text to India. I want to display I love India in Indian flag. So it is displayed but not perfect Indian flag. So make it Indian flag. What I'll do, I'll go to the alignment, change cross axis alignment, because horizontally I want to stretch. So cross axis alignment dot stretch. If I run this, it is Indian flag, but I want to display I love India in the center of the screen. So what I'll do, I'll go to the click on text of first container, text class of first container. On the left side there is a bulb, click on that. I'll select wrap with center, wrap with center. So text will be wrapped inside a center widget. So if I run this, later I will brought to the center. So similarly I wrap text of second container and text of third container with center class, and if I run this, output will be brought into the center.